Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. And if you are new here, welcome to the channel. My name is Stephanie. So today, you guys, I got 2 boxes in the mail from Influenster. If you are unfamiliar with Influenster, basically it is a website or an app that you put on your phone and you sign up, fill out your profile, link your social media, and they start sending you lots of questions that are referred to as snaps. Everything under the sun you can think of, basically wanting to know about your lifestyle, your buying habits, etc. And the reason they do this is periodically in email you get basically surveys asking you a little bit more in depth. And if you are selected, you are sent free products to review. So I did get 2, and the campaigns are called Vox boxes. I got 2 different Vox boxes, and they just arrived within the last couple of days. I thought we would unbox everything and see what products I got sent to try out and review. So here they are. Let's get into them. Like I said, this is just going to be an unboxing. So the first one here is from Sally Hansen. So this is going to likely be something nail product related. Let's see what it looks like. Here's what it looks like. So you get a card that always tells you about your campaign and what you are required to do to complete the campaign. So it looks like the product, and it always talks about the products. So this is going to be Sally Hansen's Repair and Rescue Insta-Smooth Ridge Filler. And then it talks about how to get started on the campaign. So there is the product. That's the rest of the box. Nothing else in there. So this is Sally Hansen's Repair and Rescue Insta-Smooth Ridge Filler. It looks like it is 0.44 ounces. So let's see what the card says. Let's see. It says, "Dare to go bare with Sally Hansen's new Repair and Rescue Treatment Collection, a skincare-inspired, clinically and consumer-tested collection that visibly improves the overall appearance of your nails. Repair and Rescue Insta-Smooth Ridge Filler leaves your nails feeling hydrated and restored by instantly filling in ridges and concealing imperfections. This primer, containing hyaluronic acid, is designed to create a voluminous effect on nails, smoothing your nails instantly." So that'll be fun to try. Now, you guys know I generally use polygel on my nails, so what I think I will probably do is take the polygel off of 1 or 2 nails and try this product on one. I don't know. I'll probably do these 2 nails here. I don't want to do it on my dominant hand because I'm really hard on my dominant hand, and I don't want to, I keep my nails really short, my own nails really short, and I use the polygel to lengthen them. So I will probably do these 2 and give this product a try. So let's go ahead and quickly open it and see what it looks like. It looks pink. All right, this is it. So that'll be fun to try. Can't wait to give that a whirl. I'm excited to try that. I do love my nail care products. All right, second Vox box. This is it. Nothing exciting. It doesn't really give you any clue of what's in here. So let's take a look. I know what this campaign is called because I already have it showing up in my app. This is called the Fresh Start Vox box. Okay, so here's my card. Tells you about the products, tells you all the steps that you need to do your reviews and fulfill the campaign. So there are 3 products in this one, and this is really strange. There is some all-purpose in the raw optimal 0-calorie sweetener blend. There is a product from Cora's that is their Santorini Grape Poreless Skin Cream. And then there is a product called One Brand's One Birthday Cake or One Maple Glaze Donut, which I believe is a protein bar. So let's look. Here's what we got. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, this is a nice big bag of the In the Raw. So a lot of times this is made from stevia. Let's take a look. It says perfectly blended to taste just like sugar, optimal 0-calorie sweetener blend. Let's see. Rooted in Brooklyn, In the Raw sweetener family business began long before the natural food movement. Trusted since 1970 with our original sugar in the raw. We have branded out into other sweetener sources found in nature, giving us monk fruit in the raw, stevia in the raw, agave in the raw, honey in the raw, and now our all-purpose in the raw sweetener blend. Okay, so let's see what we have. It does have erythritol in it. It does have stevia leaf and monk fruit extracts in it. So it is a blend of all of those types of non-sugar sweeteners. Erythritol often has a very cooling effect when it hits your mouth. So very interesting. I will definitely try that. I have used stevia products and monk fruit products before, so I am familiar with them, and so should be fun to use that. Very nice that it's a full-size product. All right, and I got 1 protein bar. Ooh, and this is the birthday cake flavor. Now these worry me. They do ask if you have a nut allergy, and I always say yes, I have a tree nut allergy, but sometimes they send them anyway. So let's see if there's tree nuts in here. Okay. It's gonna be hard to see. Let's look. It's got whey protein isolate. That's awesome. Vegetable sources, palm kernel oil. Sea salt. I might be okay. Just says it contains milk and soy. It does not warn that it contains tree nuts. So that's awesome. I will definitely get to try that. I'm actually really excited because a lot of times I am sent products that have tree nuts in them and I can't use them. So, birthday cake flavored too. That's awesome. One more product. And it's a little itty bitty squeezy. This is Cora's. This is a Santorini grape poreless skin cream with salicylic acid. Interesting. Very interesting looking tube. I'm sorry if my hands are shaking, you guys. Kind of very unimpressive packaging. So definitely just a very, like a little sample size. It's 20 milliliters or 0.68 ounces. So very interesting. It says it is a lightweight gel moisturizer that blurs pores, controls shine, hydrates skin all day using a powerful blend of hyaluronic acid, salicylic acid, which is a beta hydroxy acid, and then the antioxidant rich Santorini grape. So, okay. It has a little safety seal on it, and you can just faintly get the smell of the Santorini grape. So I will try that. Why not? It shouldn't be hard to use because it's a small amount. I do have other products that I need to use, but I probably will use that up in a week. So I will give that a whirl. All right. That's my Vox boxes, guys. Let me know what you think. 2 campaigns. One of them is very definitely nail oriented. One product to try. The other one has 3 very different things to try. We've got a sugar substitute. We've got a protein bar, which food related. And then we have a skincare product, which is a little weird. But hey, I'm all in for it. I appreciate it. I understand this Fresh Start VoxBox campaign from seeing other people talk about getting it on various social media. It sounds like a lot of people get like completely different things in their Fresh Start VoxBox. So it sounds like it's kind of a wide campaign and they just put 3 things in and people can get a lot of different stuff. So I do appreciate getting them. It's real hit or miss as to whether you get a campaign. I went for a long time without getting anything, so I do appreciate getting these. Yeah, it should be fun to try everything. I really do like trying free stuff. So let me know if you got questions, you guys. And if you are part of Influenster, would love it if we would connect. I do believe I have my Linktree link to my Influenster account. So let's be friends on Influencer. All it does is add up our I think they call it like influencer score. The more friends you have, the merrier. So let's be friends on Influencer, you guys. So let me know if you got questions. Otherwise, I really appreciate your time. And if you're new here, before you head out, would love it if you hit that subscribe button. If you click the bell shaded in, YouTube does notify you when I upload new videos. So hope you guys are having a great week, and I will see you on my next video. Bye, everybody.